Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to rename your computer on Windows 11. So what we're going to do is go to Settings, and within the Settings, click the System tab on the left side. Right on the very top of this page, you'll see your computer's name, and a lot of times, the default name can be something a little cryptic like this. So you can just click Rename and give it a new name. Once you confirm the new name, you'll get a prompt saying that this change will take effect after you restart. You can either restart on the spot or choose to restart later. Now, technically, you can rename it to whatever you want, but sometimes using spaces or special characters can cause some issues with Bluetooth devices or network-attached storage mapping. I'd say most users don't really need to worry about that, but if you want to play it safe and make sure you don't run into any weird issues, it's best to stick to names that only use letters, numbers, and hyphens. Avoid spaces or special characters like underscores or exclamation points. Anyways, that is how you rename your computer. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.